Hello AWS, this is Munsif Raza from Pakistan and today we are going to explain Amazon S3. First of all, what is Amazon S3? Amazon Simple Storage Service Amazon S3 is a cloud-based object storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security and performance. Now I have used a word that is cloud-based. You might ask, what's that? So cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage, computing power, without direct active management by the user. Now, why do organizations use cloud computing? Organizations use cloud computing so that instead of investing in maintaining their own hardware infrastructure, they can use cloud computing services on a pay-per-use basis, which can result into significant cost savings. And cloud computing also allows users to easily scale their computing resources up or down as per their needs change, making it an ideal solution for businesses that need to rapidly expand or contract their operations. Now, the cloud computing is used to get the computing power, storage, or maybe databases. Now, benefits of using S3, if we move back towards S3, the first major benefit of S3 is it's scalable. As we discussed, that cloud computing services are scalable as per to the need of users. So S3 can also scale, easily meet flexible demands with the flexible pricing options. Now the second thing is it's secure. You have access controls that you can control your data that you are saving into S3 and you can make it public or private. Along with that, Amazon S3 has provided 11 nines durability because of cross-region replication. Now third is partners. Amazon partner networks can help you to in the consultation of different cloud problems and suggestions that you need for say for migration or storage. The fourth thing that is major benefit of using S3 is classes. Now S3 has got different classes of storage. For example, there are some data that you need to access frequently. You can store them in intelligence tiering, and if there is some data that is going to be accessed infrequently, then you can save those in infrequent access class. And then there comes glaciers in which you can save your archive data. Now the uses of S3 are we can host a static website in S3. We can archive our data according to our needs if we want to, and we can query the data and do data analytics on that data using the S3. That is the cool feature of Amazon S3. Now, how to build a website on S3? First of all, we have to create a bucket, and in the creation of the bucket, we have to give the name, access controls, that we are making it public or private, and then the region where we are going to save or store that data and some encryption policies, and then upload the data. S3 has ability to save or store different data types and files, which includes HTML, JSON, CSV, etc. Now then we have to set the properties that we have to, if we are wanting to host a static website, then we have to implement that property, then integrated payments and lock the objects so that the objects are not going to be lost because of some reasons. Next thing is we have to set the policies, code-based rules that will allow the user to manage the accessibility of the static website, that who is going to access that website and who is not to, and how the users are going to interact with the data into the bucket. And then comes the running the website. We will obtain a URL for that website, and we will, if we will run that URL in some browser, we will get access to that static website. Now, if we come to the conclusion of this whole discussion, Amazon S3 is a very great service provided by the Amazon, and which helps us to save our data, to store our data, and if we want to archive our data, we can do that as well, and we can host a static website using Amazon S3. Hence, it's a great platform that can help us in storing data, and if we want to scale it, we can scale it easily. Thank you so much.